I don't believe that it's important to. There's something very nice that I studied or learned when I was younger. That the process should be more exciting than the reward. And और जब आप फल के बारे में सोचते नहीं हैं, तब वो फल automatically आ जाता है. And I really believe that. So the working in movies only has been so rewarding for me. That's the most important thing.
Sonam, you will have a special appearance in Sanjay Dutt's biopic. So anything on that front, if you could tell us?
That you have to speak to Raju sir about. I can't talk about any of my upcoming films till the directors and producers themselves don't speak about
Is
it.
Raju sir one in your wish list of?
Yes, I would love to work with Raju sir, and I would love to work with him in whatever capacity I can.
It's an award actually that I really cherish, and I'm privileged. I know I'm privileged to be in a position that I can be free in my mind and free in my choices, and also the people who have given me the platform to be free and to have the dream to be limitless. It also means that the industry has welcomed me and has given me that platform, the people who I've worked with. So to be versatile is something I really cherish, and I hope that I can constantly be that and have limitless dreams and realize those dreams always. To be working with Mani sir, he is incredible. He is infinitely more than what I even imagined. Again, somebody whose films I've watched as a little girl and dreamt and said one day I'm going to be there, and just to spend time with him. I'm doing dialogue classes with him, spending a lot of time with him, discovering the character with him, shooting. It's been an insane, incredible experience. Madras Talkies, the entire team, I'm very, very close to them. I miss them. I've just come from Chennai, and I always miss them. So it's really been an incredible experience, and one that I hope that I'll get again. In fact, Ranveer and I kind of started together with Shad's. He was doing a music video in France, and we started together at that time. It's almost 7 years ago. We were both jobless at that time. But yeah, it would be amazing to work with him. Yeah. मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही, मैं अभी भाग रही हूँ. Please, मेरी फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी. आपको आना है? दिल्ली. I'm hosting the Condé Nast Traveler Award.
मुझे पावर हाउस टैलेंट का अवार्ड मिला, तो बहुत ही पावर पैक्ड लिख दो बहुत ही पावर पैक्ड साल रहा है मेरे लिए, 2 एक्शन फिल्मों के साथ. एंड जब आप एक रिस्क लेते हैं, आपका काम अप्रिशिएट होता है, लोगों को पसंद आता है, लोग ऐसे एक्नॉलेज करते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी हियर फॉर दिस इवेंट टुडे, एंड आई हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम इनसाइड.
सोनाक्षी, नूर का फर्स्ट लुक आया, काफी अप्रिशिएट हुआ है.
जी. आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि आपको इतना पसंद आया. इनफैक्ट मुझे इतनी अच्छी फीडबैक मिल रही है. हालांकि वो फर्स्ट लुक है ही नहीं, वो सिर्फ एक डेट चेंज अनाउंसमेंट था, इन लोगों को इतना पसंद आया. सो आई अश्योर यू, जब असली फर्स्ट लुक आएगा तो आप बहुत खुश होंगे. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द फिल्म. यू नो, इट्स समथिंग दैट आई हैव टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, और बहुत मज़ा आया ऑन द शूट एज वेल. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट टू रिलीज.
Well, it's a versatility award, and I'm glad that I got it. And as I said inside, versatility is, for me, is just self-actualization. And over a period of time, you keep growing older and wiser, and it becomes versatile.
How difficult is it to maintain this look for your family?
Oh, I have to shampoo my face as well as my hair. Oh, there's a lot of research that goes into it. Basically, a lot of research is going into one's own self and also the Sikh religion, as well as, handling those weapons and being a person who doesn't have mobile phones, Facebooks, Twitter, and all these things in his life, not even electricity. So, yeah, it's a good experience. I'm having fun.
So from one biopic to another, how challenging is it to be part of different biopics, and how do you set up as an actor?
I think I am one of those fortunate actors who's had the pleasure of doing biopics, and I get cast in those roles quite often. It's not a deliberate choice, but I enjoyed a lot. And I think it gives me the whole versatility angle is because I do biopics and I don't play myself. I don't think I've ever played myself except for a bit in Lal Rang. But yeah, so I enjoy being other people. आप काम कभी अवार्ड के लिए नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप काम सच्चाई से उस मोमेंट के लिए, उस फिल्म के लिए कर सकते हैं. और कौन उसको रिकग्नाइज करता है या नहीं करता है, ना तो इसमें आपकी कोई ज़बरदस्ती चलती है, मेरी तो नहीं चलती है, और ना ही कुछ चलनी चाहिए. मिल गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं मिला तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा काम कम हो जाएगा उसकी वजह से.